Hi guys, it's Shannon here from ClickHome with another tutorial. Today we'll be exploring searching in the new UI. There are some really cool things I'm going to show you, from heaps of new search criteria we've added to saved searches and recent tasks and contracts you can go to straight from the dash. We'll dive right in. So from the dash we head to the search icon on the left menu. The first handy tool we've added is a quick search function, where you can type in a client's name, a street address, contact number, etc. and bring up a contract with their details, workflows, the info panel and more, which is really handy for if you're on the phone with a client and need to quickly look up some info, for example. If you need a more advanced, deeper search, you can do this by hovering over the little search icon from before and choose whether you're looking for a task or contract. Let's say we're looking for a task, so we click on it and it takes us to the search page. First up, under the task criteria section, you can choose to search within your favorited items that you marked on your My Task list by checking this box here. Then we go and fill out the rest of the criteria we want to search for. So we're going to look for tasks with the name containing building permit. As you can see, we could have further filled out criteria like resource codes, assigned to, milestones, and various forecast dates, etc. Then under contract criteria, I'm going to select pre-construction as the job type, and also the template with a status set as active. In this section, you can fill out any roles, so you can go to any of these salesperson, contract admin or supervisor fields, and it'll drop down with the users you've got in the system for those. I'm going to leave this section blank in our search, but for this progress section, I'm going to choose tasks for the progress of field with order building permit planned and then building permit received as not complete. We'll go ahead and search for tasks with these criteria by clicking on the little search icon here. This icon also floats while you're filling in criteria, so you don't necessarily have to fill out everything to the bottom of the page. You can just fill out one section and then hit search if you wanted to. As you can see, ClickHome has returned 80 tasks for us, so we can either choose the one we want, or if there's still too many, we can further refine the list by filling out more criteria here on the left. Once you've found the task you're looking for, you can go into it and do whatever you need to do. If you have a search you do regularly or want to save time, we've added the ability to save a search. So on the left panel here, if we scroll to the bottom, we can either clear it or save it. When we hit save, you can give it a name so you'll recognize it when you need to use it. And if I quickly go back to the search page, you can also save a search here. You just need to fill out your criteria and then hit save as we did before. We'll be able to find these under the saved searches section. The last thing I'm going to quickly show you is the recent task and contract section in the dash. So they're pretty self-explanatory. These are any tasks or contracts you viewed recently, and if you click on them, it'll take you to that item so you can continue working on it. That's it for searching. Look out for some of the other upcoming tutorials or see the intro video for a quick overview of ClickHome's new UI.